The whole machine running. Manual loading stations can link with production lines for automatic feeding. Materials are conveyed in chain hook grooves. Sensors detect empty grooves. The box fetching station stops when an empty groove passes. The upper and lower manipulator fetching the box blank and loading it into the chain hook to open the box. The servo-controlled manipulator pushing the material into the box. The reciprocating hook and the folding rod folding side flaps inward. The flap folding mechanism pre-bends the top flaps into position, aligning the box and preparing it for final tucking position. The tucking mechanism inserts the pre-fold the top flaps into the box slot, forming a secure and glue-free closure. The packed box are conveyed steadily by dual clamping belts to the finished product's collecting station.